guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you all of the makeup products that I shopped for from Amazon. Amazon is currently running their Great Indian Festival sale, which just began today, that is on the 3rd of October, and the prices that they're offering, the discounts that they're offering are crazy. You're never going to get all of these products at such low prices. Like, the discounts are so good. So make sure that you check out Amazon Great Indian Festival sale and shop for all of the products that you want. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you all of the makeup products that I purchased from Amazon, and I'm going to be applying them on my face, doing swatches and giving you many reviews about each of these products, and I'll also mention the discounts that I received on these products. So without any further ado, let's quickly dive in today's video. The first product that I got is this Maybelline Fit Me concealer, and the shade that I got it in is 30 Honey. I've heard such good things about this concealer but never gotten the chance to try it out, but today I'm going to be testing this for y'all. So as you can see, my dark circles are quite visible today because last night I wasn't able to sleep well. So I'm going to find out if this concealer helps to conceal the dark circles or not. I'm just applying a tiny bit of it. So as you can see, it has covered up all of my dark circles in one go, and it's given me medium coverage, and the shade matches my skin tone perfectly. This is 30 Honey and this is exactly my skin tone. Next up, I got this Colorbar Stunning Brow Pencil in the shade Chestnut. This has a pencil on one end and a spoolie on the other end. So let's see how this works on my eyebrows. The pigmentation is quite good and it's not very creamy. It's slightly waxy but really easy to use. I'm going to use a spoolie side to blend it out. So as you can see, it has filled my brows so nicely. I love how creamy this is, I love how pigmented this is, and it's really easy to use. Also, the spoolie is really soft, it's not something that's going to hurt your brows. Next up, I'm going to try the product that I'm super excited about. This is Maybelline City Mini Palette in the shade Brooklyn Orange. That is how the palette looks like. I love how festive the shades are, and this comes with this sponge tip applicator as well. So I think I'm going to go for a very neutral festive look. I'm going to apply some shimmers as well. So firstly, I'm going to be picking up that shimmer color, and with the same sponge tip that it came with, I'm just going to apply it on the inner part of my lid. Next, I'm going to pick up the rose gold color and apply it right besides the first shade. Next, I'm going to pick the light brown shade and apply it to the outer corners of my eyes. I'm going to start blending the edges now. I'm going to use that dark brown shade to balance my lower lash line. Lastly, I'm going to pick up the first color that we used and highlight my brow bone and inner corners with it. The pigmentation of this palette is amazing. As you can see, I was able to create such a beautiful festive look with the help of this palette. I love the fact that it contains a champagne gold, a rose gold, and then a proper yellow gold and a lot of transition shades. So you can actually customize the shimmers and customize them according to your outfits, or just mix and match all of the shimmers to create that glam sort of a look. You can go as subtle or as glam with this palette, and I love how versatile, neutral, festive and affordable this is. Next up, I also got this eyeliner from Sugar. This is their Vivid eyeliner in the shade Lilac Dream. So this is a lilac eyeliner, and let me just give you a swatch. As you can see, it is so beautiful. And here's a thicker swatch so that you can actually see how beautiful the color is. This is one of those statement colors that if you just apply this eyeliner, you're gonna look glammed up, you're gonna look subtle and classy all at the same time. This is one of those colors. I really wanted to apply this on my eyes today, but it's not gonna match with the look that I'm going for. I'm going for a very festive look, and this gives you a nice bold and a classy look. But I cannot wait to like apply this on my eyes and like just go out, just have all eyes on me. It's one of those eyeliners that you can rock during the daytime as well as during the night time. Next up, I got three very beautiful Nykaa Matte to Last liquid lipsticks, and the shades that I got are Janvi, Gul and Kashi. So let me just swatch each of them for you. Firstly, I'm gonna swatch Kashi. And that is how it looks like. It's a very beautiful nude color, something that would be flattering for most skin tones. Next up, I'm going to be swatching Janvi. It's such a beautiful everyday nude color. And lastly, we have Gul. This is more like a pinky nude color. These Nykaa liquid lipsticks are matte, they are really long lasting, they are waterproof. However, after a meal you have to reapply them. They are extremely comfortable on the lips as well, and they do not dry down your lips. So what else do you need? These lipsticks come in a variety of shades. I already had three of their nude shades, and these are three more nude shades that I got from them because I'm absolutely obsessed by them. You can also get some really bright pinks and plums and reds, something that would be really flattering for the festive season. You'll get all sorts of shades in this particular range from Nykaa, and the lipsticks are worth every single penny. I got another lipstick from Amazon. This is Faces Canada Intense Matte Lipstick, and this is in the shade Dash of Pink. I haven't even opened this yet, but we're gonna try this on our lips today. So that is how the lipstick looks like, and as you can see, it's in a twister form, a crayon twister form. I think I'm gonna apply this on my lips. It's quite pigmented and it's gliding very smoothly. The lipstick is really pigmented. It's very creamy. It glides on so smoothly, and it looks quite rich and quite matte. And the fact that it is so comfortable to wear, I don't think I'll have a problem even eating after wearing this lipstick. It's that comfortable, it's that soft on the lips. So I think this would make up for an amazing festive lipstick. It also comes in a variety of shades, so you can definitely check out the other shades as well. And lastly, I got these two Colourbar nail paints. So that is the first one. This is in the shade 404 Nashville. And that's the second one. And this is in the shade 937 Sea Princess. Nashville is a very universal nude color, something that would suit all skin tones, and Sea Princess is a very beautiful royal color, and this has like hints of shimmer inside, so this would look amazing for the festival. So those were all of the products that I purchased from Amazon, and I'm so happy with each and every purchase. All of the products perform so well, and the shades of lipsticks and the eyeliner and everything is so beautiful. It's so flattering. I also loved the eyeshadow palette. It's so festive and it's just perfect for this season. So I highly recommend you check out makeup products on Amazon. They are offering crazy discounts. You're gonna get the lowest prices ever. So yeah, that was my video for today. I highly recommend you check out Amazon Great Indian Festival sale. They have amazing discounts on not just makeup products but also skincare, hair care, fashion products, and basically on their entire website. So make sure that you check out the sale and grab your favorite items at unbelievable prices. So yeah, that was my video for today. If you enjoyed watching it or if you found it helpful, please give it a big fat thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel if you're new here. Follow me on Instagram, and yeah, with that, it's a wrap for now. I shall see you in my next video.